Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I appreciate you stopping by and watching my channel. April is Subscriber Appreciation Month, and I just want to say how much I appreciate all of my subscribers and all of you that watch my videos. So I want to do something special for my subscribers, and what that means is I'm going to offer a challenge, and then I also want to tell you about what's going to go on this month. So let me tell you about the challenge, and let me tell you what else is going to be happening. I did just say that, didn't I? Well, anyway, okay, so Subscriber Appreciation Month is very special to me because you help me know what you want to see on my channel, and, you know, I enjoy it. So it's just my interacting with you, getting to know you, and everything like that. I try to offer as much as I can. This channel does all kinds of fun things, including junk journals, a lot of junk journals, and paper crafts, and Dollar Tree hauls, and other hauls, and junk journal finds, and vintage finds, and even DIYs, you know. And so there's a lot of interest here, and I'd love to know what your interests are. Anyway, so I've done many different things. In my playlist, you can find a lot of videos. And whenever I do like questionnaires or surveys, usually I'll get most interest in junk journals. And I love junk journals. It's, you know, it's contagious, I have to say. But anyway, so let me announce my challenge. All right. This month's challenge is for those that want to participate in the challenge to find and create one of the projects that I've shared. I'm going to give you an example. So if you like to make a floating pocket, then you make your floating pocket. You can use the directions that I have in my video. I would like to know the video that you're referencing, but you don't have to share it. But do tell me that you've created your project, and then I want you to share it. Now you can share it anywhere you'd like. You can share it on YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, I'd like for you to tag me in it and put the hashtag Cindy A. Lewis APR24 for April 24. So that's hashtag Cindy A. Lewis APR24. Or you can share a picture of your project on Instagram. You can message it to me, or you can email it to me. All of that participation is what I would like. Now, what I will do is at the end of the month, I will come back to this video to pull some winners. So how do you let me know that you've entered? Well, one thing is using that hashtag. Another thing is commenting below this video and putting the word inspired in your comment. Inspired will be the word that the random comment picker looks for. So you want to make sure that you tag me. Use the word inspired below this video, and then please let me know what project you're making. And if you can send me a picture, tag me on Instagram or on Facebook, or send me an email, or even tag me in your YouTube channel. And if I get enough on YouTube, then I will definitely try to put a playlist together for those so that everybody can see those. So all the entries are due by April 30th, and I will do the drawing on April 30th. There will be 2 winners, and I'm going to do a handmade journal with embellishments that I'm going to make this month, and I'll be sharing that. And then the second winner will be a mystery box of craft supplies. So it'll be really nice. You can enter as many times as you like. In other words, you can do as many projects as you like, but please let me know which project you're doing and make sure to tag me. All right, so all the instructions are below. Also, I want to make sure you know that there will be hidden giveaways throughout the month. So you have to watch the videos to find the hidden giveaways and how to enter them. So please make sure that you do that, and those will be random, so you won't know when. Also, April Friday giveaways, just like normal, so don't forget to enter the Friday giveaways. I hope you enjoy this. It sounds like complicated, but it's really not. Just find a video creating a project that you like that I've done, and then make it and share it. You can share the picture, whatever you want to do. So I'm excited. I hope that you will participate. And thanks so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you all. Why are you doing this? Because I just want to make sure I don't miss any of the rules, and I've written them out, so I want to make sure I get them explained correctly.